We're stuck on the side of the road. That's what the background noise is. So, since we started this channel, I've been sort of negative and down on aftermarket conversions, like EFI conversions and electronic ignition conversions, namely to Pertronix. And I've said in the past that I've had a couple of customers over the years, before I started doing YouTube, I had people bring me cars, they were dead on the side of the road, and it was a Pertronix unit that went bad. But I never had that personal experience where it was mine, I installed it, and I was using it. So, didn't have anything to do firsthand. Well, last year, when we put our charger back together again, I said, you know what? I had a brand new Pertronix unit sitting in my hand. A friend of mine had picked it up for a different car, didn't use it. So I had it in my hand and I said, you know what? I've been bad-mouthing these things all these years. Let me try it. So I put it in the charger and we used it. And I put a few hundred miles on it and it was flawless. The car started immediately every time. Never gave me a lick of trouble. Until today. So we're here at Power Tour and we're pulling out on our way home and we start smelling smoke. What's that smoke? It's burning wires, right? So I pull up on the side of the road and I look up under the dash and I don't see anything. I open the hood, I don't see anything. I shut the hood, start the car back up again. It started a little funny, all right. And I drove about a half a mile and she just dropped dead. And that's where we are right now. When I pop the hood open, smoke pouring out of the distributor. The brand new Pertronix unit flambéed itself. Of course it has to happen during Power Tour on the side of a crowded road, but that's besides the point. Luckily, I have a points distributor that I'm going to drop in here now. But there you go. I know, sometimes I feel like, well, maybe I'm being too negative, maybe I'm being too critical. No, I'm not. This is what this stuff does. A set of points will never just drop out in the middle of the road like that. At least it gives you some warning. I gotta fix this. I'll see you tomorrow.